What do you think of when you hear the word peace? For many of us, it means the end of a conflict, a moment of quiet, or the absence of stress. But the Bible has a much bigger, richer, and more beautiful vision for peace, captured in a single Hebrew word. That word is shalom. Shalom is not just the absence of bad things. It is the powerful and active presence of all good things. It is the presence of complete wholeness. Our guide defines it as the way things were originally designed to be. Everything in its right place, flourishing in a web of right relationships. Shalom is a vision for the entire universe. It's about our relationship with God being fully restored. It's about our relationships with other people being defined by justice, mercy, and love. It's about finding deep, inner peace and wholeness within ourselves. And it's even about our relationship with all of creation being brought back into harmony. It is universal flourishing. This is the world God is making through Jesus, who the Bible calls the Prince of Shalom. Through his life, death, and resurrection, Jesus is the one who makes this universal peace possible. He is the one who repairs the 4 great broken relationships and restores all things to the way they were meant to be. Shalom is the ultimate hope for the future, the final destination of all of God's promises. But it's also a reality we can begin to experience and participate in right now. Every time we choose forgiveness over bitterness, serve our neighbor, care for creation, or work for justice for the vulnerable, we are planting a seed of God's shalom in our broken world. It is the great and hopeful project that we are all invited to join, until the day when all things are finally made new.